Hey there, Bio Crew. It's Mr. Koonce here to give you a little example of a tree CER. So today, the tree that I'm trying to identify is a carnivorous tree. So instead of having what you would think of as regular leaves, it's the ones that have needles. So that's what we're going to be trying to identify. The tree that we're looking at is right here. I wonder what it could be. So let's take a look. So what I did is I grabbed a piece of a branch. So if you're looking at stuff, try to make sure that you find a tree where you can actually locate the branches, so you can get a sample of it. If we look at to the tree identification, and like I said, it's a carnivorous tree. So the first thing we're looking for are the needles in bundles or groups, or are they single, flat, and scaly? So if you look at this, I would definitely say that those are single. They're not in groups. They're flat and scaly. So if that's the case, I would move on to number 3. So are the needles scaly and flattened, or are they single? Well, it's kind of hard if I can get to zoom in. It's definitely got those little scales. So when you think of it, think of like plate armor or like scales on a reptile. So that's what we got there. They're definitely flattened. It's just not a single needle. So we would go to number 4. So 4 has cones, scales flat, branches fan-like, or does it have berries, may have scales, prickly needles, and some. So we got to look up and see. And it's real hard to see on my camera. I'm sorry about that, but I'm telling you, I'm looking up and I don't see any berries. So if I don't see any berries, I would go over and say, well, it must be a northern white cedar. See? It's that simple. Identifying trees is way easier than you think. I mean, I carry this packet around with me all the time, just walking around. Gotta figure out what trees are trees, you know? Thanks. Bye.